In the heart of old Beijing, Qishe Courtyard by ARCHSTUDIO breathes new life into a 150-year-old Sihiyuan. Here, tradition and modernity entwine through curved glass corridors and preserved volumes, inviting a contemporary family life steeped in history. The complex retains its 7 pitched roof buildings arranged around 3 courtyards, the archetypal Chinese quadrangle. A sweeping glass veranda follows the curve of the roofs, connecting old volumes with a flowing modern gesture. The structure preserves original pine timber and gray brick walls, reinforced and restored. A lightweight bamboo-framed glass veranda overlays the existing buildings, maximizing lightness and transparency. Front courtyard now serves as a garage under the preserved pitched roof. The middle courtyard is the social heart: living room, tea room, dining and kitchen in a symmetrical layout. Rear courtyard hosts 2 bedrooms, a tea room and a study, wrapped by an undulating veranda. The curved veranda softly filters light into the courtyards, a playful dance of shadow and brightness. Original arched openings, gentle slopes, and folding doors promote airflow and fluid circulation between zones. Palette blends old and new, restored gray bricks and pine, laminated bamboo veranda, glass bricks, polymer mortar finish. Reclaimed tiles, stone slices and wood become furniture and planters, bridging past and present. Interiors lean minimalist with folding doors that open fully to courtyards, fusing inside and out. A mix of old-new wood furnishings enhances texture and warmth, set against white walls and brick floors. Mature trees remain in each courtyard, interwoven with native planting, continuous with Hutong ecology. Smooth slopes replace steps, ensuring seamless movement and unity of ground plane. Qishe Courtyard is more than a renovation. It's a living poem. Through curving verandas, restored surfaces and gentle layering, ARCHSTUDIO weaves a new tradition. Fresh spaces that hold memory, flow with light and welcome life from past to future.